my name is Leonard. Today I'm making a Hawaiian pineapple pancake. So I hope it tastes good as it tastes at first bite. Coconut flakes, I use the sweetened one, so it's sweet. We're gonna sprinkle this on top, but first we're gonna bake them. We're gonna bake them, make it more crispy. Right?
Hawaiian.
Guess this is it.
Wow! Humot kayo! Wow!
I think this is the. So now I'm gonna go get the butter.
Wow!
So butter I made last night, so it has to be overnight. This is my first time doing it because I'm really craving to that pineapple pancake and to visit Hawaii, Four Seasons Lanai. So we'll see if it tastes good as my first time I had it. And when I cook them in butter. So what I have here on the butter is I use a milk, crushed pineapple, flour. I have the baking soda, a dash of salt. What else? Sugar. Yes, I have sugar and vanilla, and 2 eggs. So I'm just gonna do a small. You can do different sizes, but since I have a small pan, I'm just gonna do small because my Aunt Lilia likes.
Yeah.
Right now it bubbled up, so I'm gonna flip it. See how it goes. I hope you guys are excited as my Auntie Lilia. I'm gonna try it.
Try.
So I'm gonna show you how I present this. So I have my 2-layer pancake here. Strawberry, I just cut it in tiny pieces. I put it in the middle. And I have the syrup, sweetened coconut flakes. So you just sprinkle it on top. I kind of like a little bit more. So you're my Hawaiian pineapple pancake version.
Wow!
Mahalo! So now let's try taste the.
Let me see how you taste it. Yummy? Wow! Namaan na taning kaluto.
Oh my god, so delicious. So now Auntie is trying her first pineapple pancake.
Right?
Let's see what. What do you think?
Oh my God! Maghimot ako ito ng sarap.
You love it?
Ay, sarap kayo. I love.
You're welcome. Enjoy. What happened to your plate, Auntie? Where did the pancake went?
All the pancake inside my tummy. Very yummy, yummy. I like that. Can you make it again?
Sure, I'm glad you like it.
Wow, thank you so much. Wow.